Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add link to your TikTok bio. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways. Now, the first method right here is by using a business account. Okay. So if you don't have a business or you don't want to create a business account, I'm going to show you the second method, which is by far the easiest one. Okay. So go to your profile right here. Now, for standard users or personal accounts, just click on Add a Bio. You can add in your link right here, like manually. Okay, for example, YouTube or your YouTube link. Just put it that way. Open up YouTube. Okay, open up the YouTube app right here. Find your profile, tap on View Channel. And then in here, just tap on the three dots and tap on Share. You can do the same thing with other social media apps. Okay, just find the share link or copy link button. Now go ahead and go back to TikTok. Paste it right here. Tap on Save. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you have a link. Okay, that's one. So the other method right here is by, again, using a business account. So tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on Settings and Privacy. And under Account right here, you should have the option Switch to Business Account. Okay, so you could just tap on that option, switch to a business account, and then just follow the basic prompts right here. Okay, get started and fill in these informations. And after that, when you go ahead over to your profile, okay, when you tap on Edit right here, you should now be able to see links in this section. Okay, make sure that you verify your business. Now, if you don't have a business and you still wanted to add in a link, the best option for you is use your bio. Now, if you don't want your bio to be cluttered, okay, there's this one option that is called Linktree. So this video is basically three methods. Okay, so you got to use Linktree. Open up your favorite browser. Now go ahead and find Linktree, just like so. Type it down, tap on search, and here we have linktr.ee. Okay, so just tap on this website and then just go ahead and sign up. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to log in right here because I already have an account. So as you can see here, I already have one, but you can just go ahead and easily create. Okay, so you can just tap on it, add multiple links right here, maybe add in your Instagram. Okay, just connect your Instagram or enter your Instagram username manually. For example, I'm going to add in Made for Money ad. It's then going to go ahead and automatically check your Instagram profile. Positions, should it be at the top or at the very first? Select one. Add social icon. Select another one if you want to. Maybe YouTube. Okay. So it says here, enter a valid URL. So I'm just going to type down https://www.youtube.com/ my other YouTube account. So add. There you go. So just basically add in whatever you want from here. You can move it just like so, just drag and drop. And then once that's done, just click on close. Now go ahead and click on share right here. Copy. Go back to TikTok. Open up your bio or edit it. Change it. Now, instead of having multiple links right here, you now have one. So when people go ahead and tap on your bio and opened up your link, well, they'll be redirected to your Linktree and they will be able to see this specific page right here. Okay, they can just click on YouTube or Instagram to check your social media. That is it. That is how you add a link to TikTok bio. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.